It is day 21 of filming myself every day. So today, this morning, we're going to be having breakfast, then we're going to go to the Birds of Prey show, and then we're going out into York, having a look around York, and then there's a surprise for the evening. But we'll go get ready now, and I shall see you at breakfast. So for breakfast I've got some bacon, sausage, beans, scrambled egg, orange juice, some coffee and some toast. So we've had breakfast now, and now we're just sat outside waiting for the Birds of Prey centre to open. It is 9:10 and it opens at 10:30. So we're just going to sit here, relax and just listen to the birds. So it is 10:15 now. We're going to start heading towards the Bird of Prey show, and I will show you around it. This is Oliver. So we've just walked around looking at all the birds now, and we're just going to wait for a bird show. It starts in about 5 minutes. So we're just going to sit here and wait for it. So we're in the car now, going to head off into York. We watched the Birds of Prey show, it was pretty good, and I will see you in York. Right, we're here in a Wetherspoons now, and we're going to order some food, and I'll show you what we order. So for food, I got a scampi with peas and chips, and an old Jamaican ginger beer. I have come to the Railway Museum in York to try and pass some time before we go and do what we were going to do in the evening. So it starts at 6 o'clock what we're doing in the evening, and it's 4 o'clock now. So we need to pass 2 hours. So what I've been waiting to do is to go on the Ghost Bus tour. So we'll see how it is, see when we go on it, see if we're allowed to film.
Death, murder, execution, and of course, my personal favourite, supernatural activity. And on the right-hand side of the bus, we have the Theatre Royal. Now, a nun was based in the Theatre Royal and did a thing a nun should never ever do. I think the kids nowadays call it Netflix and chill. Now, this is not just any Sainsbury's, no, it's an M&S Sainsbury's, no. Now, it has a tiny little door on this church known as the Devil's Door. It was used during christenings to allow the devil to escape, as it was believed the devil resided in the soul of the baptized child.
That was a good show. It was informative as well as funny, and if you're ever in York, I would recommend to go and see it. I'm back at the hotel now, and it is 8:30 at night. I need to get this video edited and uploaded, but uploading on this hotel Wi-Fi is not the quickest, so hopefully I can get it up in time. But I will see you tomorrow.